In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 for the 5ers Prop Trading. First, create your account with the prop firm on their official website. Register, pick the specific challenge or funded program that matches your experience and trading style, and complete the payment and account setup. Take a moment to read the program description so you know your targets and constraints before you even open the platform. After registration, you'll receive your MetaTrader 5 login details, the trading account ID, the password, and the exact broker server name. These usually arrive by email or appear inside your dashboard. Keep them secure and copy them carefully. Tiny typos or the wrong server can prevent a successful connection. Next, head to the official MetaTrader 5 website, download the platform, and install it on your computer. Once installed, open MT5, go to File, then log in to Trade Account. Enter the login ID, password, and server exactly as provided, and click Login. When you're connected, you'll see live prices streaming in the Market Watch window. To analyze markets, open and customize your charts. In Market Watch, right-click the symbol you want and choose Chart Window. Add the tools you rely on, like a moving average, RSI, and marked support and resistance zones. Save a template so your preferred layout loads quickly across instruments and timeframes. When you're ready to trade, click New Order. Set the lot size that fits your plan, define your stop loss, inform Cybon, and choose a take profit level. Then click Buy or Sell. On prop accounts, always place a protective stop. This is essential for staying within program limits. Make sure you follow the firm's risk rules at all times. Pay close attention to maximum daily drawdown, overall drawdown, any lot size restrictions, and specific news trading rules. Read the challenge rules carefully before placing trades so there are no surprises. Keep an open eye on your account using the Toolbox panel. Review open trades, current profit or loss, margin level, and drawdown. If margin is tightening or drawdown is approaching a limit, reduce exposure to protect the account. Use small risk per trade. For most traders, risking only about 0.5 to 1% per idea, avoiding overtrading, and prioritizing consistency dramatically improves longevity. If you run automated strategies, consider a VPS. Install MT5 on the remote server, keep auto trading enabled, and monitor your expert advisor regularly to ensure it behaves within the firm's rules. That's it. Connect, configure, trade with discipline, and monitor closely to give yourself the best shot at a funded future.